design at its simplest. At the very simple way, we can be sustainable. We can live outside the system. And we can do it also in other places. And we not only can do it, but we have to do it. Because there's another big lie that people tell us. It's even in our geography books. They tell you, like, we have a huge atmosphere around our planet, right? But this is the truth. This is the stark truth of our planet, which no one tells us. This is all the water we have. And not much more than water. This is all the air we have. That means we have to be carbon zero. We cannot pollute the atmosphere. And we have to make sure that the water we have, we use it in the way of collecting it and giving it back to nature without being polluted. But what are we doing? This is what we're doing. The electricity here, the projector, all of that comes from coal power plants. It's produced by mining the coal, destroying the earth, carrying it to huge power plants, burning it, producing this electricity, and then polluting the atmosphere. So this is something that we need to stop doing, given that we know that this is what we have, and that there is no other planet that we can go to. Urban planners. Somebody has been doing some great planning here. This was 1973. They planned the area fantastically, built some great roads here, and then you came to 2003, only 30 years later. This is what you got. So you see these beautiful forests over here. They turned into this. That's great urban planning, I would say. Per square meter, you have maximized the amount of people, and you have maximized the amount of use of energy, you've maximized the amount of use of water, you've maximized everything. Because it's all about maximization, because that's what the economy wants from us. Development. Fantastic development. We even have a strong party which has a name in its original name, development, Kalkınma, right? So this is what you see as development. 1977, 1988, 1999, 2009. And then let's zoom here. That wasn't even enough. Now we're building a huge motorway through the last northern forests of Istanbul, building a third bridge, and that little green left here is also going to disappear within a few years. So that is development, and this is urban design for you. This is what's happening now. This is not only happening at the local scale. This is at the same time happening at the global scale. The whole planet is basically giving alarms. We have a destruction of biodiversity of the plants and animals that share this planet with us. They're disappearing at an incredibly high rate. Because of the agricultural systems that we've designed, the whole nitrogen cycle of the planet is destroyed because we are using nitrogen fertilizers massively in our agricultural system. So our agricultural system is dependent on fossil fuels that we burn and the nitrogen that we put onto the fields, and climate change, biodiversity crisis, nitrogen cycle, freshwater issues, phosphorus cycle, the whole life support systems of the planet are essentially giving red alarms at this point in time. So what is the reason for that? Why is that happening?